Alright everybody, we're getting to the next segment of our full body. What we're going to get started with is we're actually going to go into a sprinter's lunge. We're going to be hinging really heavily. Now we're going to do alternates. Boom, we're just jumping up, switching legs. If that feels a little too difficult, bring yourself up into here. That feels difficult again, make sure that all we're doing out of these, boom, you can bring some reverse lunges back into it as well. Okay? Great work. Great work. And break. Next, we're going to get into a cobra push-up. Hands are going to be a little bit closer, like a diamond push-up. All we're going to do, we're going to bring ourselves down, forward, scoop through, and up. If that seems a little difficult, spread those hands, and you can do this big pull and squeeze. Pull and squeeze that chest together. Okay? Good. That still feels a little difficult. Knees up. Again, you can drive yourself back, come up and squeeze. Come up and squeeze. Nice job, nice job. After that one, we're going to get into a half burpee. This is going to be just more of tucking our legs up, coming up. Coming up. What it's going to look like here. Really being explosive, driving my knees to the outside of my elbows, rotating myself up. Beautiful. And that's it. Great. After that one, we're going to get into some wall push-ups. This one you can do at any level. You can have your feet all the way up here, doing a full push-up. You can bring yourself a little bit down, do a push-up off of that. That feels a little bit too difficult. You can go standard and normal. With the knees down. Okay? We got 3 more seconds. Keep it up. Great job. Great job. Last but not least, we're going to do a high hip hinge followed by a tricep press. We're going to have 2 feet up onto that same chair or bench. All I want to do is squeeze my glutes. Squeeze my glutes. Just driving those hips up, stopping as soon as I get to neutral, and that's it. Great job. Should start to feel the burn a little bit back there, and break. Fantastic work. Last but not least, we're going to hit those triceps a little bit. You can use the same bench, be on your knees, keep that core nice and tight. Just going to drop yourself down, press up. Drop ourselves down, pressing up. Let that head fall through the hands. You can get a good stretch out of your triceps. Press yourself up. And we're going to take a nice rest. We'll see you back for the last round. Let's finish this strong.